Oh, you can join me by the water, turning my lingering pain into gold. Oh, you can join me by the water. I'm not holding back the river anymore.
Oh, you can join me by the water, turning my lingering pain into gold. Oh, you can join me by the water, ain't holding back the river anymore. Join a nigga down by the faucet, but nigga, for your goal, keep that iron on the low like the hotel closet. Everybody ain't gang, why don't you throw up like vomit? And keep it light, low key like a pinky promise.
Oh, yeah, look, my life was different. Barely had any emotion like a middle toe. Till I got in deep waters, learned to swim alone. Rivers flowed, almost drowned, it was give and go. Had a nigga skipping to the coffin where the little boat. Still kept a rod in my coat with a little scope. Case a demon never did a poach. On a build a note, dot on the beam, mean green light, piccolo. But rather than have you lose your soul.
Oh, you can join me by the water, turning my lingering pain into gold. Oh, you can join me by the water, ain't holding back the river anymore.
I no be the same person, saved by grace. I thank God, Hosanna. Deliver me from my ways, bust my gaze. I'm pure like Sultana. No weapon fashion go prosper. I came and I saw and I conquer. My blessing they fall like rain, more champagne, running over now. I no rush, I'm just having fun. Eyes on my goal, me I know I dey closer. 10 toes, steady on the road. Now money come they find me all over. They call me big fish, no change and tuna. Slim boy heavyweight, you go sooner. And if I talk something, I go do one. He shot for me, oh God.
Oh, you can join me by the water, turning my lingering pain into gold. Oh, you can join me by the water, ain't holding back the river anymore. Oh, you can join me by the water, turning my lingering pain into gold. Oh, you can join me by the water, ain't holding back the river anymore. Oh, you can join me by the water, turning my lingering page into gold. Oh, you can join me by the water, ain't holding back the river anymore.